Coming up on Extreme Detail Garage, Abdul and the crew get their hands on this iconic 1999 Nissan Silvia Spec R.
You don't know how much I'm excited to do this.
A true legend made famous by the Fast and the Furious. Follow along as the team transforms this street icon with a full-color change wrap in a stunning gloss dark green pearl.
The customer, I know for sure, is gonna love it. He picked the color, he picked the design, he picked the carbon fiber hood design on it. What can go wrong?
From the very first step, the crew dives deep into precision prep, carefully disassembling key components like door handles and side mirrors to ensure a flawless, paint-like finish.
We're wrapping everything that is gray, so we have to wrap the base of the mirror, all these around.
Watch as their craftsmanship comes to life. Every edge tucked, every line perfected, as they bring this legendary ride back to life with a whole new attitude.
So stay tuned, because this thing is gonna be in fire.
And you don't want to miss the moment of truth when we reveal the finished build to owner Trace Landry and capture his full reaction.
Oh, that's even better than I thought.
All that and more, right here on Extreme Detail Garage.
Boy, I got chills right now.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years.
He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage.
This car right here is like the Mona Lisa of the drift world. Han rebuilt this bad boy from ground up.
Got the Silvia for you. Man, I'm excited. It's gonna look amazing.
Man, you don't know how much I'm excited to do this.
Well,
This
man.
is insane. This is a 1999 Silvia. This is a rare car, and it came straight out from Japan.
That's right. S15
You see the steering
Silvia.
wheel on the left. Oh my goodness. Behind me, I got the 1999 Silvia. You know how crazy that is? To get a Silvia to wrap it? You don't know.
Wasn't ever allowed in the United States up until a year ago. So to import these was pretty difficult, I guess until now, but there's not very many of these here in the United States. I was lucky enough to find one in pretty pristine condition.
Man,
And
I'm
now,
so excited to work on this.
Yeah, she's gonna look good, man. I'm excited to get a nice, beautiful wrap. I've heard great things about y'all's work, so I had to come check y'all out.
Of course, of course. And like I said, we're gonna cover any imperfections, and then you can bring the tail lights.
For sure.
The brake lights, we're gonna install them for you.
Okay.
Also, the blinkers, we're gonna install them for you.
Thank you. And y'all do tint too, right?
Yes, we do tint. We're gonna tint your windows with the ceramic tint.
Okay.
Also, one thing over there, if you see, we're gonna sand that part to make it smooth. And
Yeah,
then wrap
absolutely.
it. I had to call the customer. I told him, hey man, look, we're gonna give you a very good deal. We're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the carbon fiber hood. We're gonna do the special color on it. And the customer was like, yeah, let's do it. We're gonna shoot a video. We're gonna make a full project. From A to Z, we're gonna make a full project.
I can tell you without a doubt, he's gonna put his heart and soul into it, as I would. So I completely trust him to make this as pristine as possible.
We are doing the disassembling right now, but this car is a little bit old and it's not easy.
We're ready to remove the window trim as well, and we're ready to remove the trim that is on top of the pillar. Make sure that we clean all those areas and it will be easy to wrap.
We noticed that there's some imperfections in the paint, but the good thing that the vinyl is gonna cover that. This is an old car, and we noticed that the bumper is like screwed in. So if we remove it, we will not be able to put it back. So we removed the door handles, wrapped them in 2 pieces, or we're gonna assemble the door handles after we finish wrapping the door.
It's like a piece of art, you know, how everything is going in the car like it's supposed to be there. This piece is not originally from the car, they just added in there. So we inspect the car, we talk on what we need to remove before we jump in the car. And whenever we have all our points in the same position, whatever we need it, we go in action.
All right, guys, wow, man. You guys are kicking butt in here. Oh my God. Hey, you know what? When I initially looked at the green that Abdul ordered it, I didn't know it was gonna be this pretty. I was not really excited about the green stuff. Abdul,
The Pro makes it look like chrome.
well, you think so? You think
Yeah.
that's what it is?
Yeah, I think the Pro makes it look like just like chrome.
I think you guys are so experienced. I mean, the fact that I can come and I can lay PPF, I can go check the guys doing the detail work, and I can see Javier doing the window tint, and also Adonis doing the PPF on the other vehicle. And I have the mindset that you can handle this project yourself, and the guys can just jump in it and do whatever they need to do to make sure the car looks just like the customer asks. It gives me a confidence and a great mindset that I don't have to be worried about it. So that's exactly what you're looking when you're building a team.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's even better than I thought. That is actually exactly what I was looking for.
Yep. And like I said, the Avery, it gives it that chrome look, so it's reflective and you can see, it's like a mirror.
Boy, I got chills right now. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like I didn't get to see the color in person, so I was kind of,
Nervous.
you know, I was like, what is it gonna be? Is it gonna be what I'm hoping?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is perfect, man. That's exactly what I hoped for. Might even be better than I hoped
And
for.
like we said, the carbon fiber hood.
My
Deep, dark
gosh.
carbon fiber. Amazing. I mean, I love this car and I loved working on it. Now, I'm
thank
gonna
you
walk
very
you through
much.
some
Yeah.
stuff. You see the bumper, they have like these hard curves in.
Yep.
So we did some seams. So it's like an inlay and then we wrapped over the bumper. But
Okay.
if you stand, like you cannot see anything. It looks just like a paint job.
Dude,
but
it
if you come
does.
like very close, you'll be able to see the seam right at the body line.
I'm right here and I can't even see it.
Yes, you
I mean,
see,
it's-
this is how we always want our jobs to be perfect.
This is
what we want.
pristine.
Yep. And then here we did the same thing. These are like hard curves, so we put like some inlays, and you can see, you cannot see anything.
Man, that is, I
It's
could not have
just like a
asked.
paint job.
I could not have asked better.
Same thing with the
This is
mirrors.
amazing.
We disassembled the mirror, we removed everything, we removed the glass, we wrapped it all the way, if you check here, wrapped it all the way in. Just like paint. Same thing with the door handles. We disassembled the door handles, we removed everything, and we wrapped it.
I can feel, y'all even tucked back here too. a
Yep,
bit.
all the way in.
Beautiful.
All the way in. Same thing with the side skirts. We like moved it a little bit, squeegeed all the way in, tucked it in perfectly nice to make it look just like paint. That's what we do here.
Brother,
Extreme detail.
y'all knocked it out the park. 100%. I could
Yes,
not
sir.
have asked for better.
Done completely 100%. And I feel a lot of joy because my customer is satisfied and I'm very happy. And hey man,
Yeah,
thank you for giving me this opportunity to wrap your car. It's
absolutely.
iconic. It's a special car.
I'm very glad I came to y'all, man.
Thank you.
Y'all nailed it. It
Thank
is
you.
Better than I expected.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. If you like full color transformations on iconic cars like the Silvia and getting an inside look at the craftsmanship behind it all, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications below so you don't miss what's coming next. We've got plenty more builds on the way. We'll see you next time right here on Extreme Detail Garage.